Hey everybody, it's Shawna Solomon here, your fave fashion stylist. It's been a minute since I've seen you guys. I've been super busy with the boutique and getting stuff together for the firm. For those who haven't been here before, I am a brand stylist as well as a boutique owner. As a brand stylist, what I do is I inspire women entrepreneurs to create a powerful brand image, and I do that through a few programs that I offer. Keep in mind that when you're in business, that your image is one of the first things that people decide whether or not they want to deal with you, work with you, which turns into sales, right? And as a boutique owner, I have owned a few boutiques, and I am currently now the owner of the Shawna Solomon collection, which aligns with the clientele that I have for women entrepreneurs who are out here making moves and doing it. So I've definitely been on a little mini hiatus. I've been posting like in my group. So I do have a group style initiative where we talk all things fashion style. I don't get into a whole bunch of business in there. I kind of save that for my clients. We talk all fashion, all style. I do a lot of shopping. In that group is where you see a lot of the stuff that is there from the boutique. But here I wanted to come in and show you guys some of the stuff that has been sent to me from other women entrepreneurs. Now, I absolutely love and enjoy supporting women entrepreneurs, especially boutique owners. For those who are just getting started, I am a fan of TikTok, so I'm always on TikTok shopping and just trying to find ways to support us and help us grow. But I also do get a lot of stuff mailed to me as well, so I will be showing you guys some of that as well. I have a lot of stuff here. So what I'm going to show you guys today is just a couple of hats that I picked up a hat from a little haul that I did from Forever 21, but I also have a hat that I wanted to show you guys from a small business. And she was so dope. Not only did I place the order and it shipped the next day, it came from California and it came in like 3 days. And I love that. Like, I love being able to give great feedback. We're able to, to showcase these business women who are out here doing it. And like I said, TikTok is the place to be if you are in business. People these days are super visual, and being able to go on there, like I go on there and I talk a little bit about boutique stuff. I go on there and I show some of my style tips, things like that. But my sales for the boutique have literally soared. I've actually gotten a few coaching clients from there as well. So anyway, I got her off of TikTok. So this is one of the girls that I got from TikTok. And we were just on kind of like a post. And I'm like, okay, I'm looking for stuff because I'm always looking for stuff to put into my style boxes. And again, I'm always shopping for my clients. Oh, wait, and there's something. Child, there is something else in here. She got to be the sweetest. Okay, so I'm going to do this unboxing real quick. So this is from... And this one's sitting in a box. So if you've seen all of the boxes that are laying around my office right now, you would probably be appalled. But again, I do apologize because I'm super busy and I got something great coming up for April. So this is from Kurvvy Dolls Boutique. And like I said, she's based out of, I believe it was California. So she sent this, which I love. This is so cute. And I keep stuff like this, which is hilarious. Like, it's not hilarious, but I love being able to go back and say, hey, I wonder if such and such has this. So later on, you'll hear me talking about some earrings. I'm going to do another post about some earrings that I got from one of my other favorite boutiques that I like. So yes, I am a boutique owner, and yes, I do shop other boutiques. That's okay, because everybody doesn't like what I sell. And if I can support another boutique owner, I definitely will, especially with my clients that I style. Always got to reach out to other people. So let me get back to Kurvvy Dolls. Okay, so Kurvvy Dolls, it's her Instagram is Kurvvy with a K, dolls _boutique. And she actually has a little note on here. And the note says, enjoy the gift included. I really appreciate your support. That means everything to me. Because we have a shipping and fulfillment, I don't get an opportunity to write personal notes. So this means everything in the world to me. And I really think I'm going to start getting back into that part of everything. But let me show y'all this baddie that I got. And then look at this bag. Look at this baddie. Look at this baddie. It's a wrong style. Oh, this is a cutie. Okay, and she has the tags in here, and it's not a heavy one. You ever get a hat and it's real heavy? Yeah, this is not heavy at all. Okay, so she has her tags in here. Kurvvy Dolls Boutique. I love these tags. Can you see the tags? Check that tag. I love that tag. So I'm gonna take this off of here. So there is like a protective covering over this. I can't wait to wear this. I can't wait to style this. Oh, this is a cutie. I can't wait. And of course, I just did my hair because I was filming this live. So I'm going to have to style it. So you guys are going to have to go over to my TikTok or over to my Style Initiative group to see how I decide to style this. Now, the crazy part was, even when I ordered the red, because it was for Valentine's Day. Well, I ended up being swept away by my husband, so I didn't get a chance to wear it. So I'm definitely going to style this. But and look at this cute bag. Yep, and y'all know I'm probably going to carry it. And it's just a plastic bag, but it's a plastic bag, and it has a handle. I love stuff like this. So definitely going to keep this. Wow. But I did want to show y'all, because she put a little gift in here. So I love masks. So, oh my goodness, looky! And it's blingy. Everybody knows that I love. I absolutely love bling. All things bling. All things bling. And if you sell bling, comment below. I will buy. I love anything that sparkles. See, my daughter bought me this. My husband bought me this. I'm always blinking. Anything that's shiny grabs my attention. This is so cute. Look at this. And it matches the hat. It matches the hat. Okay. So now I have to figure out how I'm going to style this. Oh, you ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing. Oh, this is so cute. Thank you so much, Kurvvy Dolls. I can't wait to support you again. Thank you so much for your great customer service and for that. And it's a cute gift for me. It's crazy because like you don't really know me to know that I love bling. So this is like definitely a great touch. So I really appreciate that. Again, you want to go over to Kurvvy Dolls with a K. That's K-U-R. Actually, there's two V's as well. So let me spell this out for you guys. It's Kurvvy Dolls, DOLLS _ boutique on Instagram as well as on Facebook. And her website is www.kurvvy-dolls.myshopify.com. So I didn't have any issues when I went to her website to order. And actually, because I order so much, I didn't even have to do anything as far as like putting my information in. So, and then like that, and I want to say it was either that night or the next morning is when I got the confirmation that it had shipped. So I really appreciate you. If you do go over there to shop for her, make sure that you tell her that I sent you. Again, thank you guys. Thank you so much, Kurvvy Dolls, for the hat. I can't wait to shop with you again. And I'll talk to you guys later. I do have other videos that I'm getting ready to run to, so don't go nowhere. Make sure you hit subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.